Yeah, I was when I played, I was very good with the Brimstone or whatever his name was, and then Sova, one of the best Sova in the world. I was Sova when I was playing Sova. I was like average Jonas, you know, average Jonas. I played like him. Basically, we were same guys. Yeah, me and average Jonas, I think so. We are playing same level. So here we go. Coin flip with a 5x, guys. Can we get it? Oh, let's go. We have actually coin flip with a 5x. Nice. Coin flip. Coin flip. Never gonna give you up. Okay, let's see multipliers, guys. This one, Nugopoly 100. That will be massive one. What do we have here? Whoa! Oh my, 250x red. Oh man, blue, please no. No red. Whew. Guys, this is it. We need that red. Are you ready? Let's go! And we got it! Woo, baby! 250x on coin flip. Well, that's quite impressive. 3,570 of you. Adrian123, Zonares, and Adam. Wow. Let's go, baby. What a juicer magooser. That's what I like to see. Anyways, let's continue. Much love. And let's go, baby. Woo!
160 total winners, and Hannah at the top of the winner with 750 euros for yourself. Good luck. So good luck, everyone. How has your day been so far? I fell from a chair at the light table cash home with a 3x multiplier. What happened? Oh yeah, if we're talking about live tables, and I have almost fell as well, but if you actually fell, that is actually crazy. Woo, baby, let's go. This is what we wanted. This is more like it, isn't it? So guys, that's gonna be a cash on bonus game. Hey, 3x multiplier. Do. We should do this kind of a... Oh my! Look at this, guys. So it's gonna turn into 1,500. That's the highest multiplier. I love this. It's so adorable. Okay, we have 7,550 and 1,500. So guys, now it's gonna be your turn to decide which one we'd like to get. Okay, Alexander. It has been broken. Oh, God. Well, it totally makes sense now, right? Alexander, you make a decision. Tell us in the chat, what are you choosing? I'm choosing as well. But, guys, if you follow us, that's on you, okay? I never know what I'm choosing. Okay, I'm going to choose somewhere in the middle. So, the fifth line, and it's going to be the chubby bunny, this one. I literally got the lowest. 1,550.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.